Welcome to Mom's Dinner, everybody. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a really classic brown sugar and mustard ham glaze that's perfect for a spiral cut ham. Into a saucepan over about medium heat, you're going to add all of the ingredients together. That's going to be a half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of dark brown sugar. That's the one that's a little bit darker in color and has more of a molasses flavor. Quarter cup of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of whole grain Dijon mustard, 3 minced garlic cloves, and then a couple spices. We just need a quarter teaspoon of ground allspice and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground clove. You're going to get that all whisked together and then let it come to a boil for about 1 minute. Turn the heat to low, and you're just going to let it simmer, stirring occasionally for about 5 minutes. At that point, it is ready to go. You can use it straight off the stovetop on your spiral cut ham, or you can pop it in the fridge for a couple days and reheat it slightly, and then it will be ready to go. I hope that this brown sugar and mustard ham glaze recipe helps you feel like a success in your kitchen, and we would love to have you subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes.